The winter and summer setting can be adjusted on your storm door closer to make it close better during the colder or warmer months. Just like most things, these closers expand and shrink during the temperature changes. When it's warm outside, the molecules in the closer move around faster and have more volume, which causes the door to close slower. In the colder months, these molecules slow down and take up less volume, so it closes faster. We took a side-by-side video for comparison. Enjoy!
the